to turn on your follow button on the comment section. You will find out that a lot of people, when they comment on people's posts, you will not see where to follow them. So in this video, I will show you how to on your follow button at the comment section, so that when you comment on people's posts, anybody that wants to follow you can easily follow you from there. So guys, join me on the screen. Let me show you how to do this. Very easy and simple.
So guys, if you want to turn on your follow button at the comment section, all you need to do is just to go to your profile. Once you tap your profile, you go to your three dots here. These three dots here, you tap it. Once you tap it, it will take you to this interface. Then you see edit action button. You tap it. Once you tap it, you will see some, their own is 1, some is 2, like my own now is 2. So once you come here, all you need to do is just to tap this edit button. Once you tap it, you see this message. If your own is off, maybe it's off like this, all you need to do is just to turn it on. Once you turn it on here, then you come down, you see save. You save it. Then if you have if you connect your page to WhatsApp, you can tap this one. You can tap this one. You understand? If you connect your page to WhatsApp, but I didn't connect my own to WhatsApp. If it is call, maybe you want people to call you, you tap this one. If it is email, you tap this one. Anyone that, if it is shop, you want people to view your shop, you are selling something online, you tap this one. Or ticket, or you have a YouTube, you want people to watch your video from your Facebook. Maybe when they tap your YouTube link, to direct them to your YouTube, you tap this one. This one now that said watch now is for YouTube. Or group, you want people to visit your group, or you want to play game, anyone that want to tap, you tap it. So once you tap it, the next thing is to tap save. Have you seen it? It has saved. So successfully save the button. So when you comment on people's posts now, people can see follow button there and follow you. Alright? This is very easy and simple to do. Just come to your profile, you tap this three button, tap edit button, tap edit button. That's all. Tap anyone you like, you save. So that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more videos. Love you all. Bye. See you on my next video.